Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Today we're going to talk about degreasing, and we're going to try something a little different that in 6.5 years I haven't done yet, but I've thought as a money saver we'll give it a try. So what we're going to talk about today is simple green. We're going to mix up a 5-gallon bucket of it. I've got a slide that's been used a little bit that we're going to try and degrease. We'll pull it out, go through the regular process without the acetone, coat it, bake it off, and then just see what happens. So it's Friday afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and leave this in that bucket over the weekend, just to see if, how long it needs to degrease. I'll pull it out, gas it out, sand it, and coat it. We'll bake it hard, and we'll let you know how it works. That's about it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day. So this bottle says it makes 5 gallons of simple green cleaner. So what we're going to do is we've got our bucket about 2/3 of the way full of water. Not quite 5 gallons, but it'll be close enough for government work. We're going to dump this bottle in and then dunk our slide in there. I'll leave it till Monday, come in, do it the same way we normally do things, and just coat it up, see what we get. So in goes our slide. One quick tip, if you go ahead and wire your things up before you degrease, it just makes them a lot easier whether you're fishing out of the bottom of a bucket or whether you're using acetone. So we went ahead and wired this up, just a simple little loop, just so we can degrease it, put it in the oven, and gas it out. Snap our lid on, and we'll check it on Monday. So our slide's been in the simple green for about 60 hours. I put it in end of the day Friday. It's now kind of mid-morning Monday, and we're going to go ahead and pull that out, throw it in the oven, and just kind of get it dried out really good. I'll sand it down, we'll spray a layer of Cerakote on it, and we'll bake that completely out, see what we got. I'll come back in a couple of months and kind of update everybody on how it's worn and if there were any issues. Normally, if you're going to have an issue with like site prep or degreasing, you'll know it as soon as it goes in the oven, within a few minutes, because it'll start to either bubble up or it'll, get discolored.